What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am coming to you all today with yet another video. This one is a little bit different than the usual videos that I do. This is actually, as you can see from the title, a review of a camera. I've been in the market for a brand new camera to film more content for you all, but I wanted to do a raw unboxing, and of course I will be following up with this video as I use it a little bit further. But without further ado, if you guys are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I do all things planner, craft, and camera related here. So if you guys are into those kind of things, you will definitely enjoy this channel. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So I think I'm gonna open it up from this end. No, I'm gonna do it from this end because the little stamp that I use to conceal my address on the package, it rubs off very easily, and I do not want to get it on this table. Alright, this thing is actually much smaller than I thought it would be. So as you can see, we have the Sony ZV-1 digital camera. This camera was actually made for content creators in mind, specifically YouTube content creators, vloggers, things of the like. So my husband and I have been in the market for a while to get a new camera for this channel. And when he caught wind of this coming out, it actually came out a day before my birthday, June 11th. I was like, yes, I would love this. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Like I said, it is much smaller than I expected it to be, but let's see what we got. All right, so we got instruction stuff that I probably won't necessarily read because I am that kind of person. Comes with a little room mic, very, very tiny. So one thing I did know when I was doing my research, it doesn't come with a charger per se, like a charger to plug into the wall. What I am filming on right now and what I have always used in the past are Canon cameras, so I was a little bit hesitant switching over to a Sony. I am a Canon fan when it comes to cameras, but with all the features that I was researching, Canon did not have a camera that kind of matched up to this. And plus, I love that it was made with YouTubers in mind. So I am going to be obviously making a switch. So here is the camera. One of the best features that I like is that this camera, first of all, it is super tiny, and the viewfinder actually flips out to the side. It can turn. Here's the front of the screen, as you can see, my ring light. And you can flip it however you need to. It's a little bit more versatile than a top flip viewfinder, which is actually what I am using right now with my Canon. So I'm not sure if we'll be able to turn this on or if I would need to charge this battery. I am going to have to purchase another battery just due to how often I film videos. I don't know how much we're going to be able to do because there isn't any SD card in it as well. So just the original settings, I'll set that up off video here. But yeah, you guys, here is a camera. It is super sleek. I'm not one of those big tech geeks, but I am going to do a little bit of a kind of initial review. So this video, if you're looking for that kind of video that's very super techy and going to give you the specs, this is not that video at all. Here is a little broom light here. I am more so speaking to people who create content like me that are just looking for an affordable, decent sized camera to make your videos that much greater. So from my research, I mean, how it compares up to like maybe an iPhone, I mean, size wise, this one obviously weighs a little bit more. I have the iPhone 11, just the regular 11 in purple, so it kind of fits inside of my iPhone. This obviously can fit in a pocket because this fits in a pocket, so it is small enough for that. What I would prefer for it to have is the actual charger in the box. I do see on the side of the box here that you can get like the accessory kits. I am thinking about getting this tripod because it has some features that are actually on the tripod, like stop record, things like that, that will be very helpful for me. So I might be getting a little bit more of these accessories, and since obviously I came from a Canon, I don't believe I'll be able to use my batteries that I have already and the charger, so I'll have to re-up on that. But yeah, you guys, I will check back in. Like I said, just an initial unboxing and review. I am absolutely in love with how sleek this is, so I definitely will come back to you all later. I'll do a few videos with this, but I'll dig into it a lot deeper and come back to you all with an initial full review. I'll do a few of my YouTube videos with this camera as well, just so I can kind of get a feel and give my like raw opinion of it. So I'll come back into you next week. I just wanted to share what I got, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I would say because this camera is pretty pricey, we spent $700 for it, so it's not like a beginner's YouTube. I mean, unless you got it like that, girl, do you? If you do, this is something that I pretty much saved up for. I've been doing YouTube, this planner page for almost 2 years now, and before that I was doing vlogging and things for about another 2 years, so 4 years. So I'm pretty serious about my content and creating on YouTube, so it was worth the investment for me. But I would say if you are pretty new to the planner world or pretty new to the YouTube world in general and you're just trying to get your feet wet, honestly, you can stick with your phone. But if you're like me, you're really serious about it, trying to look into something that you can upgrade to, this might be a good option. I know there are better cameras out there, but one thing that really gravitated me towards this is that it's very compact. The features are very good, and I don't have to worry about carrying around a really bulky like Canon camera or anything. So that's what gravitated me to this camera. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of give that disclaimer for you go research and then see the price tag like this is definitely for somebody who's going to be a little bit more serious with their content and been doing this for a while. So like I said, I'll give you a full review after I record a few videos, edit it from them, and kind of see how I really like the camera. This is just initial what comes in the box. Of course, I'm going to pick up those other accessories, so I'll showcase that maybe about a week or so. Just kind of give me some time to record about 4 or 5 videos and kind of give how I'm feeling about it. So make sure you subscribe to check out that video. Let me know if you have any questions about the camera in the comments below. And as always, if you want it, plan it, and do it. Bye, guys.